I was about to start filming this video when Miss Fairy decided now was the time she needed attention, so we have a special guest today. So my favourite type of crocheting is amigurumi. That was the type of crocheting I started with, and for the first 8 years I did crocheting. That was the only kind of crocheting I did. But a lot of people do it the opposite. They start off with granny squares and they don't even know where to start with amigurumi. If you don't know what amigurumi is, it's just crocheting in the round. So it's just crocheting where you do rounds instead of rows. And you can make so many cute little plushies with amigurumi. And once you've done a few patterns, it's very, very easy to create your own patterns, and then you can create whatever creatures you like. So today's video is going to be easy patterns, simple to follow patterns, free patterns, so you can start your amigurumi journey or extend your journey or just get some ideas for some projects you could make. This is me dropping in at the end because I just realized I forgot to say the most important thing. So all the patterns are in the description. They're listed in the exact order that I share them with in this video. To make it a little bit easier, I'm also going to have a number in the corner of the screen that will match with the number of the pattern, so you can just go straight to the number of your pattern to find it. So let us get into it. Our first category is sea creatures. It's also a little bit extended to other watery creatures that might not live in the sea, but they do enjoy swimming. Number one is a turtle! Doesn't get much cuter than that. We have a really cute jellyfish. This one is rainbow, but you can do it in whatever color you like. Crocheted baby octopuses. How cute. You can do these up really quickly and just spread octopuses everywhere. Next, we have a crochet whale. Very cute. I love it when patterns show the finished product in lots of different colors. It makes me very excited. Speaking of, we also have this glorious rainbow of axolotls. Now, this is a no-sew axolotl. Really? That looks like it needs some sewing. Well, apparently it doesn't. Lots of amigurumi has sewing, so you're gonna need yourself a yarn needle, except apparently not for this axolotl. Next, we have a cute little shark. I just find sharks so cute. They're not vicious at all. They're cute little friends. Then a baby seal. How adorable is that? It is called Almost No Sew. The good thing about this one and ocean creatures is they don't have too many pieces, so it's very easy for beginners. You don't have to get lost in all your pieces, and you can get them done up quite quickly, and you can be like, look, I'm a genius, I just made a plushie. Next, we have penguins. Now, penguins could be complicated creatures with their feathers. That's not the word I was looking for. Flippers. But these ones are like little chibi penguins. How cute. This is one of the cutest patterns on the list. Otters. Otters. And you know how otters hold hands when they're sleeping? You can do two and get them to be holding hands. Then we have frog number one, a round little friend, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, but super simple and super, super cute. And I have another frog for you. This one's called a leggy frog, and he has 4 legs or 2 arms. This one also happens to have a snazzy little outfit. Oh my gosh, I need to make this today. Now, I told you this section was sea creatures / water creatures, so the next one is very much not a sea creature. It's a duck. It's a duck. How cute. They look like little rubber ducks. You can do them in different colors. You can have an aviary looking duck. Moving on to insects. So the first one is the crochet bee. I have to include this in an amigurumi video. If you've never done amigurumi before, this is the pattern to start with. Or maybe not, the wings are kind of hard. But you basically just have a bee body and 2 wings, and they're so cute. You probably saw them go viral on TikTok. You might have stumbled across my channel from my bee video, but it's a great pattern and the cutest little bee. Now, I was looking for butterflies. I was looking for amigurumi butterflies, and there aren't a lot out there, but I did find this really adorable one. I love the colors they used on this thumbnail. So cute. Oh my god, those swirls. I really want to make this. That's so cute. Those butterfly wings look like they might be a little bit more advanced. Just a little bit. I'm sure you can handle it. Next, we have a crochet ladybug. Are they called ladybugs or ladybirds? I never know. Either way, this one is very cute. I'm just picturing making one in every single color. Okay, next we have snails. The amount of beautiful snails I see with different things on their backs is just so inspirational. I want to crochet an army of snails, but the crochet snails I have for you today have fruits on their backs. So it is a strawberry snail. So cute. It's quite small, so it'll be quite quick for you to put together. Moving on to some reptiles. The next pattern is a snake. You can't get much more simple than a snake. It's just 1 piece. Actually, it looks kind of complicated. I don't know how they form it into that shape. That might not be that simple. Is this even amigurumi? False alarm, it is. Next one I have is a gecko. I honestly don't know the difference between a gecko and a lizard, but this one looks cute and has a free pattern. All of these have free pattern. I don't know why I said that like it was a bonus thing. But anyway, speaking of lizards, now we have a frilled neck lizard. Wow, wow, wow. How cool, a frilled neck lizard. I want one. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at their little eyes. So our next section of animals is called pets. Animals you might have as pets. Having said that, you could have had a lot of the previous animals as pets, especially sharks. Some people do have sharks as pets. First pet is a bunny. Oh my gosh, did you know bunnies live up to 10 years? I thought they lived for like 3 years. This bunny is extremely cute. I did do quite a few bunnies recently for Easter, but this is not an Easter bunny. This is just a bunny. Then we have a generic looking dog. This looks exactly like that Sanrio dog. Maybe not exactly like, but the vibe's there. And it's very cute, and you can do it in whatever color shirt you like. How cute are these mouses? They're actually so adorable. That shape and their tiny little arms and legs. They also have this guinea pig pattern, specifically newborn guinea pigs. Don't know what the difference is, but the pattern is so cute. And we have these very colorful cats. They're so cute. They definitely give me like Pusheen vibes. So small and simple to make. You could make like 10 of these in an afternoon. Maybe not. I haven't actually used that pattern, so I don't know how long they take, but they look like fairly quick. Okay, the next section is miscellaneous animals. I didn't know what kind of section to group them in. It's just the rest of the animal patterns that I found that I thought were cute. First of all, we have a unicorn. So cute! It's like a tiny little one. It doesn't have like complicated horse legs. It's just like a little squishy squish. Then I have a triceratops pattern. How cute is this triceratops design? They did a really good job of simplifying the shape of a triceratops. I do also have a T-Rex, so I see a lot of crochet T-Rex on TikTok. So if you want to get on the TikTok T-Rex hype, there's an easy crochet dinosaur T-Rex pattern. One's in 2 parts. The colors on this look glorious. Next I have a couple of bear patterns. Bears are so cute. I even have one here. It's kind of hidden away there, but I love bears. And the first bear is wearing headphones. Animals wearing clothes, my favorite thing. It also has a little heart bag. Stop, that's too cute. Then if you'd like to do a bear without headphones, you're just after a basic bear pattern, there's another one here. This section is all over the place. Now we're jumping to giraffes. I just thought this giraffe was so adorable. It's like so tiny, and you think of giraffes as being so massive, so it just makes it even cuter. And our final animal is the elusive, exclusive, glorious capybara. Anytime I see a capybara, that like TikTok song that goes like capybara, that is always playing in my head whenever I see a capybara. So there's a capybara pattern. You can make the capybara while listening to that song on repeat, and that's just a wonderful afternoon. So that completes all our animals. There are so many animal patterns out there. I could make like 10 videos like this of just animal patterns. So hey, if you want to see that, let me know. For today, we are moving on to foods. You can either make foods as foods and try to trick people into eating yarn, or you can make little food friends. So here's what I mean by this. So first of all, we have this donut pattern. They're so cute. They're so colorful. Would people believe they're actually donuts? Probably not, but you know, they're there for the vibe. Or you could do something like this cupcake where it's like a little food friend and it has a face, it has a little personality. Now for most of these patterns, they actually do have the faces. They are characters, but if you don't want to make them characters, you can still use the patterns. So I also have an apple. It's so cute. Look at those cheeks. Oh my goodness. I want to make a whole fruit salad bowl. Then by the same artist is a crochet avocado pattern. So there's actually 2 different avocado patterns. One has the seed and one does not, and they join together and they're in love. I don't actually know if that's true. I was just assuming that from the thumbnail. I also have strawberries. So I have 2 different strawberry patterns. I have little strawberries and big strawberries for all your strawberry needs. This is 2 patterns in one. It is milk and cookies, and they are adorable. So adorable. These like foods with faces are really reminding me of these guys. Our final food pattern is more of a drink. It's a little mini boba tea. So adorable, and it's all just like one piece, so really easy to do. Our next section is houseplants. First of all, we have this glorious crochet cactus. I have actually made a cactus very similar to this. It was a Christmas cactus though. I made for my sister maybe 5, 6, 7 a lot of years ago. That is so cute. Once again, it's like a character. It's got a face, but you don't have to include a face on it. Or you could put the face on the cactus instead of the pot. It's totally up to you. They also have a crochet succulent pattern. This looks beautiful. This is like the perfect room decor. I'd have one sitting up here. I really need to do that. I need some more crochet plants in my life to just put like all around everywhere, since I can't take care of actual plants. That thing's fake. So are those leaves. And that's just paper. Speaking of room decor, I found a hanging plant decor. Now, this one comes with some terms and conditions additions. Not really. Basically just the pot is amigurumi, but the leaves are not. So do with that what you will. Same thing with this next pattern. I have crochet lavender, where we have a crochet pot and then lavender. I'm making this today. I'm literally making this today. Now we've reached the miscellaneous section. There were just some other cool patterns I saw around that I wanted to share. First one being this adorable star keychain. You don't have to do it as a keychain. You also don't have to put a face on it, but that's so cute. And like stars kind of like a weird shape. You wouldn't like know how to crochet it, or maybe you would, but like for me, I'm trying to think of, oh, how would you do that? So there's a free pattern right here. Then we have some crochet hearts if you just want to spread some love around. They're also really cute. You can just like make a heart and add it to an animal. Like I did that with a frog yesterday. I also have a rainbow. This one's kind of random, but I just thought it was really cute. Little amigurumi rainbow to give your life some more color. I also found these adorable mini little coffee cups. They can be happy coffee cups. They can be sad coffee cups. They are cute coffee cups. Probably should have been in the food section. Oh well, too late. Then the final pattern of today is mushrooms. Mushrooms, I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are so cute, and here are some little mini mushrooms you can make. I want to make some purple ones. Oh my gosh, I have to show you. Oh, it's not even here. I just crocheted a purple mushroom bag. I'll put in a little video. I'm so proud of it. I made up the pattern myself. It was an amigurumi mushroom too. I should have included my own pattern, except I don't have a pattern yet because I just made it up and I already forgot how I did it. I apologize for not having a pattern, but I did just give you 45 other patterns, so that could keep you busy in the meantime. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have so much fun sharing crochet ideas and inspiration. Let me know if you enjoyed this, if you want to see more, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!